Who's up for Easter egg hunt?
Not me.
Not you.
Not you.
You're not gonna hunt eggs?
Daddy will do it then.
Oh, that's a big bite.
Just open this from the top.
Me too.
That's a big bite for Sissy.
Hey, easy. Let her chew up what's in her mouth first, okay? She's just a baby, remember?
She's working on it.
Don't give that to her. You eat it.
Yeah, you can eat that bite.
I guess I'll do the Easter egg hunt by myself. I'll get all the candy.
Is Daddy gonna hunt all the eggs?
No.
Yep.
Who's gonna help him?
Me.
Are you gonna hunt eggs? Yay!
Make sure I want to help you hide them.
Look at you, Sissy. Yeah.
Sissy needs a bib.
Sissy needs, well, a comb.
I think her hair looks cute like
It
that.
does look cute like that. You need a toothbrush.
Show her what else you have.
Yeah, show me what